Me and Ash right now are in El Paso, Texas. If you take a look around, all of this side, even the mountains up there, I don't know if you can see it because I'm gonna have to crop it, but all of this side is El Paso. And in about 5 minutes, we're gonna be crossing into Juarez, Mexico. This is Rich. Rich, give him a shout out. Say hello to everybody.
Hey, how you guys doing?
He's our local guide today.
Is that a GoPro?
That's a GoPro, yeah.
Wow, hip.
Not bad at all.
Since 1957.
Whoa! Wow. If you guys are thinking of doing a Juarez tour, I'm gonna leave Rich's number in the description.
Wait till you see the tour. I expect my phone to start ringing tomorrow.
Border Patrol. They're saying that they might close the bridge.
There are a bunch of Venezuelan migrants that are stuck in Juarez, and they're rowdy. They're not happy about it.
This looks pretty serious. Moving barriers. Oh, it looks like they're moving them into place. They just closed it.
Okay, now we can stop. Welcome to Mexico.
Nice. If you guys were ever curious about what Trump's wall is, it even goes under bridges and it connects to the bottom of them. And that's the Rio Grande, apparently, the brave river where the migrants cross. Yeah. Viva Cuba. What does that say? 50 años tiempo. What does that say?
50 years. Your example stays alive. We're gonna be able to get back, bro? No telling, right? You just work here, right?
Yeah. Are all these fuckers down here?
Who?
All the fucking Venezuelans. That's why they're closing it. These fuckers are gonna rush again, supposedly.
Oh, they're gonna rush the. That's what happens?
It happened like maybe about a month ago.
They're gonna rush what? The Venezuelans rush the border?
Yeah, they kind of over there on the other. It's usually on the other bridge.
Oh, right there?
Yeah, well the people are and stuff.
Yeah.
They drove them in and like maybe a month ago they rushed it. Wasn't in the news, bro?
I didn't see any of that. We're from Toronto, man.
Didn't make the paper in Toronto.
No. It's really up to them. If they decide to do something like that again, then yeah, they'll shut it down. Are we gonna be able to get back?
Really? Juarez is nice. You might like it over there.
Yeah, I hope so.
Y'all's choice, man. But like I said, yeah, depending on how they act and whatever they do, they could close it. So
we could walk to like another bridge or something, though.
Usually, if it happens, bro, yeah.
We close all the doors.
But it's kind of one of those, depending on how they act and stuff. So that's what I'm saying. Last time we ended up closing all of them.
Really?
It took a few hours, but yeah.
Oh, a few hours like that.
Yeah, it's not like for
Not forever. Yeah. It looks like there's like an encampment across there. There's a bunch of, I don't know if you guys can see this, I'll have to scale it in, but it looks like there's another gang of them all down the edge here. You guys don't shoot them and shit, right? You just like apprehend them and then bring them back? Alright, see you guys. Thanks, man.
Have a good day. Night.
So we go to immigration or what do we do?
No, that was it.
That's the border in Mexico.
That was the border.
That conveyor belt. They didn't check ID. I could be anybody. I could be anybody. This is crazy.
We got close from Venezuela to here.
The kids. So how dangerous would you say Juarez is compared to previous years to now?
Juarez is more dangerous when I'm over here.
Oh. A little puppy under the tree.
So cute.
Yeah. You mind? Aki?
Huh?
Look at that. He's got his dog out here. You got water for it, everything, man. Thank you.
Sell it to you for 50 bucks, bro.
Yeah?
He said, yeah.
He said he would sell it to me for 50 bucks. You guys, quick. This is like all the Venezuelans. Waiting to go over to storm the bridge. This is crazy. All these people just want to get to a better place. Like this is, I don't know if you know what's going on in Venezuela, but the country's basically bankrupt.
20% of the population of Venezuela have left the country.
20%? It's the border of the states, and that's everybody who wants to storm the border to go across. Pretty quiet here. This is the world famous Kentucky Club, and apparently this is where they invented the margarita.
They're really big on marketing. Like, I'm not even sure they invented the margarita.
Okay.
But they say Marilyn Monroe, John Wayne, Ronald Reagan. If you push them, you can get them to tell you Al Capone, you know?
Yeah, we don't fucking know, but we're gonna get a margarita apparently. Not open yet.
A las 11.
We're gonna come back. Go to the place next door and get one. Apparently it's the same owner, he just opened it. I love Mexico. Look at the size of the straws. Why does this look like it's used for something else? Cheers. I tell you right now, I'm staying in Mexico. That's what I do. $11 And then Ash was just saying, like, you can't get 3 margaritas for 11 bucks in the US. No chance.
It doesn't feel like a tourist town. It's not a tourist town, you know?
Not at all. I feel like I'm about to like do a huge drug deal. I'm gonna fucking get in the slums and shit. I'm gonna speed out of here in a shootout. I love this shit.
The red light district here.
All right here was where the hookers were.
Yeah, yeah.
They're probably hot. I love Latinas.
No, these were fucking filthy whorehouses, man. Where, the chicks are like 40, 50 years old.
Oh, they're
you know?
grandmas.
Oh shit.
Right.
Oh yeah, look.
I think they got a bunch of transvestites in
Oh, let's get out of here.
Yeah, that's how you know it's. If you're into that kind of stuff, you come down here. You probably get it for cheap and get it by the dozen. Just saying. Botas a la medida.
A la medida. Boots to measure.
You just want to bust out in the fucking red alligator skins, or the dark Texan alligator skins, or the Florida fuck yous. This is the place to come and get your custom boots. This guy's working on a pair right here of alligator. Look, the feet. Beat your brother up in these bastards. Just beat the shit out of people. It kind of looks like a palm tree, but it's actually like a leather
Look at
boot.
here. Look at the work on the shaft, man.
It's all hand stitched.
Like $300 for those boots right there. Bucks, $300. Yeah.
This bull ring, you can watch bullfights here. It's been here since 1905.
Different bull ring was here in 1905. In 1957, the bull ring that was here, the old historic bull ring, burned down. Burned down the same year they built the new one, right?
Yeah, got to eliminate the competition. Oh, he fucked us on purpose.
There's a lot of violence, and then during the violence, the troubles over here, which ran from 2008 to 2012, insecurity was widespread. The violence was widespread. Not only the cartels killing the cartels, there was also carjackings and kidnapping, murder for hire, extortion. They would go to a bar and they would say, "Hey, you got a nice bar here. I'd hate to see anything happen to it."
And they just extort them for safety, for the bar safety, yeah. So there's a lot of buildings. I'm into real estate, so I gotta show you guys this. This entire building here is empty office space. If you converted this to apartments or lofts, like look at the Art Deco writing. Like this lobby here is probably really nice. Migrar no es un delito. Migration is not illegal.
And that's Grupa Harta de Ser Resiliente, the group tired of being resilient.
The Darien Gap. So a lot of Venezuelans have passed here trying to get up to the American border. And this is kind of a map that they've left in the city to show how they've done it. If they're coming from Chile or if they're coming from Venezuela, how they've gotten across and then up to Mexico. And we're just in this cool ass alleyway with like a bunch of graffiti. Man, Juarez is cool. Juarez is cool. Rich is saying that this is the best burrito in all of Mexico. Burrito El Compa. They're gonna let me come back there. It's okay, aquí?
Yes, sir.
Wow. Gracias, gracias, gracias. Okay, so they gave me a better angle here. So they make their tortillas fresh. So as soon as he finishes rolling it, he throws it right on there. Once it's done there, he does a little stomp on it. Both sides, it's fresh, everything. So if you're down in Juarez, look at that. Everything is fresh, man. Gracias, amigos. And amigas, y amigas, y amigos. All right, so me and Ash are gonna try this out. What did I get, Rich?
Deshebrada a la mexicana. Shredded beef with tomatoes and chili and onion.
Oh yeah.
El verde. El rojo. Van a morir, van a morir. Es para mí. Gracias. Oh, thank you.
Chili red, what's that?
Chili reno. It's a long green chili, banana hunt chili.
Yeah.
And it's got, they take the seeds out and they stuff it with cheese and then they dip it in an egg batter and they fry it.
Wow.
Oh my God.
This slaps. This is good, yeah. Both got one of these and it was only $1 each. $1 USD each. It's called a volcano. It's got like a vanilla pudding. It's really good. No weapons, no drugs, drogas, no minors, no gringos. But now I am welcome because I live here. I live here in Mexico for 3 years. 2 years. So this was the Mercado. It used to be a popular tourist spot with like dancing here and restaurants here. But apparently when the cartel violence broke out, it just never gained any traction back. We have a band set up there. Be dope. These guys are decked the fuck out. Super Soldier. This is crazy, man. Holy shit. That's a grenade launcher on his gun. Wow. Gracias, amigos. Burritos El, and you can put the last one together, and then they painted a picture.
Hey, give me some tequila. Margarita, or maybe just straight.
Tequila.
When you need a kick, añejo is great.
Oh, they got the mask.
Lucha Libre is the shits.
Street vendor area. Like a lot of vendors around here. Sketchy alleyways. Like, this is sick. La Esquina Chihuas. And they're giving us crickets right there. You see that? We're gonna have crickets with tequila.
It's mezcal.
Oh, mezcal, not tequila. I'm an idiot. This one's for Bill Gates. You're gonna eat bugs, you're gonna own nothing, you're gonna be happy.
Oh, puke all over you.
Tastes kind of like chips. I mean, I wouldn't eat it every day. Fuck that, but... oranges have tahini on them. If you don't know what tahini is, I don't know, Google it, jerk off. Alright, it looks like a lot of the Venezuelans dispersed. I don't know how successful they were at getting across. You can see way up there over the bridge, hard to see. But I can still see all the US Border Patrol guys standing there. It's pretty crazy, they came all the way up from Venezuela and then they hit this roadblock here. Like, this whole area before was just packed. I can't imagine like how crazy this is for people to come so far and just get halted. Not that America is gonna be much better, but you know, if they could get anywhere in America and get a job or get up to Canada, it might be pretty good. Over here, 6 pesos. Show your passport. Thanks, man. As I said before, you don't need anything to go from America to Mexico. They don't check, nothing. Back into the States, you gotta go through this customs thing behind me. Say goodbye to Rich, that's it.
Adios.
His number's below if you guys wanna take a tour.
And you know you do. You know you want to take
Yeah, it was dope, it was sick. You gotta do it. Anyway, we'll see you later, Rich.
Okay,
Until next
see you
time.
later.
Yeah, enjoyed it, man.
Thank you, thank you.